I specialize in family law and estate litigation. I love working with people. So many areas of law, you're dealing with documents, you're dealing with businesses, you're dealing with all of those complexities in the day-to-day life that don't deal with people. So it was an easy choice for me. I love working with children. I love getting the opportunity to help kids and help families at really tough times in their lives. And I found similarities in that working in estate litigation, just with a different sector of the population, primarily seniors. It was an easy fit for me. The two areas work really well together. Yeah, I really just love what I do and the people I work with. Yeah. There's a lot of them. I can definitely say when people ask me what I do, and I tell them I'm a lawyer, they picture Harvey Specter, they picture suits, they picture somebody going into the courthouse, fighting, getting what they want, and having a result the next day. That is not the case. So the first misconception and the biggest one would be the fact that if you want to get before a court and you want to have your issues resolved, it's gonna take years. It's not you come in and next week you have a result. Similar to that, no, I don't just do divorces. That's what people think when they think of family law, is we do our divorces, but that's the smallest part of my practice, quite honestly. We deal with child protection, we deal with child support, child-related expenses, dealing with schools and sports, different things like that. There's also spousal support, there's property issues, entitlement to property issues, constructive trusts, and then basic divorce issues as well. In this profession, hobbies and activities to unwind after work are a requirement. It's the only way we can stay sane. A lot of the time, work and home and the two different areas of lives tend to intertwine. So you need to make sure you have ways to kind of protect your mental space. For me, I do that mostly with sports. I'm a big soccer player, so that takes up a lot of my evenings and weekends. When I'm not playing soccer, I also play volleyball. I go to the gym, go for walks, go on hikes, anything really to get out in nature or to get out on a team and interact with people that are not at work. Even though I love my work colleagues, it's nice to have that other environment as well.
And do you find when you're on the soccer field that people are still asking you for legal advice?
It's a tough one because people hear lawyer and they tend to slip in questions. I've got questions from my dental hygienist before. In situations like that, people hear it, they don't know how to separate it, even though I'm trying to keep a separation. So yes, I definitely do, and I have to be mindful of what I say to people and what kind of answers I can give, but people do like to bleed that professional life into my personal life. From a community perspective, it's really easy. Here at Barriston, we are B Corp, which means we are very community engaged. We're very environmentally aware. We're encouraged as members of Barriston team to take part in the community however we can, and we're encouraged to do so during working hours, not just outside of the office and on our own time, which oftentimes as a lawyer and as somebody with a very busy schedule, it's difficult to make time for those types of activities outside of work. We go out during the day, we get engaged with the various community groups and for whatever causes we are closest to, and they make it really easy to do that. As a family lawyer and as somebody who's really interested in child-related law, there was no better fit for me than to be a part of Big Brothers and Big Sisters, because it's a group that's dedicated to helping the youth and to mentoring young children who maybe don't have mentors in their lives. I'm also a part of Barrie Families United, which is a similar group, and it's dealing with homelessness, women who are fleeing domestic violence and looking for starter kits. It's an area that I am very passionate about. I'm also a part of PAZAN, which is the Prevention of Seniors Abuse Network. From a working perspective, I think the culture at Barriston is great. Everybody gets along, everybody is like a family, we're always here, we're all working together. We have a lot of activities together as a group that allows you to get to know one another on a more personal level.